Hey, what up? I'm sorry about the intro. I'm just playing around with the pause and record button. Stuff like that. So today I wasn't going to make a video, but this happened. A baby bird fell out of its nest. I don't know how. I had nothing to do with it. And the parents, I left them out here for an hour and 30 minutes, this baby. The parents won't even bother to come down. So I've been inside. I wasn't outside scaring the birds away. I was inside, and then they won't even bother to get him. So I don't know what to do. Maybe leave him out here for longer, something, cause he's been out here for quite a while. So I don't know. Maybe leave him out longer, like I just said. Juice. Okay. He's mowing his lawn when I'm making a video. How nice is that? Well, so this bird is gonna bite me. Oh, this bird, he's been out here for a long time, so I don't know what to do. I'll just leave him out here longer and hope for the best. And yeah, it's been another hour and still these guys won't get on. It was 5 o'clock. Now it's let me check the time. 8 o'clock. Wait, what? Oh no, wait, my clock is wrong. It was 5 o'clock and now it's 6 o'clock. Yeah. Well, so there's Chico. Chico, come on. Who's a good boy? Oh, you're cold. You're inside it. You're inside with the air conditioning? Silly dog. Okay. So, everyone drop a like on this video or subscribe. 1 like equals one home from every bird. 1 like equals 1 home for every bird. There's my other dog, Canelo. He's scared of the paint gun. Hey, Canelo, look. I'm gonna take the bird inside for now. I'm gonna take him out again because my brother is painting parts, and I'm gonna have to take him inside. Be right back. Okay? I'll be right back. He's so cute. I don't think I should. Whoa, why does it get all bright when I do that? Oh, sorry about that, guys. I don't think he's not liking the inside. It's kind of cold. I'm gonna take him out in the front yard. First, I want him to meet my dog. Oh, he can fly, kind of. First, I want him to meet my dog, Daisy. Daisy, come on, look. She's getting close. Go get her. Look, go. She don't like it. Daisy, look, go get it. Ooh. Daisy, go get it. Go play. I'm gonna take him outside, guys. You guys just wait. Well, actually, y'all don't have to wait. I'm the one that has to do all the stuff while y'all just quickly see me in 1 second. Like, y'all gonna see me in 3, 2, 1. I'm just kidding. Or actually, yeah, you guys. Sorry, I can't speak right now. I can't speak very good because my throat kind of hurts. You guys will see me in 3, 2, 1. Hey, we got outside. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I'll make another video and I'll post it on YouTube to tell you if the bird is okay or if he's like living with me or if he's picked up by his parents. I don't know. I'm just gonna end the video here. Please like and subscribe. That's what girls say. But please, can you drop a like on this video or subscribe? Subscribe and like for the bird. And he goes to sleep. Thank you for watching. This is my first video that I shown my face or anything like that. So please like and subscribe. Peace out.